One, I welcome you all to Vaish Courses YouTube channel and to the series of current updates. So, in this video segment, we are going to deal about the topic called Niti Aayog's report 11 measures to improve school education. So, Niti Aayog has released 11 measures to improve school education. So, about that we are going to learn in this video. So, before starting the video, I want to remind you to subscribe, like, share, and comment with your feedback in the comment section. Let's start the video. So, Niti Aayog has released the report. So, what is its relevance for the UPSC exam point of view? It is important for the GS2 for the issues relating to development and management of social sector or services relating to health, education, and human resources. So, in this context, we can read this topic. Niti Aayog's report. What is the context of this Niti Aayog's report? Niti Aayog has recently suggested 11 measures to improve the country's school education system. So, it was done in order to implement effectively the National Education Policy of 2020. So, in order to implement this effectively, 11 measures were given by the Niti Aayog's report. So, what are the key points of the Niti Aayog reports? So, let's see what are the key points of the report. The suggestions largely were related to improving the learning outcomes. So, whatever the suggestion it gave, most of them were related to the learning outcomes. And they were released as a part of a report on systematic transformation of the school education. So, it is based on the systematic transformation of the school education. Okay, the recommendations were based on it. So, they are based on the findings of Niti Aayog's Sustainable Action for Transformation Capital. So, this is the part of the Saath Education Initiative. So, Saath Education Initiative, according to this Saath Education Initiative, findings, Niti Aayog's Sustainable Action for Transformation Human Capital were based. And the steps undertaken by these states under Saath initiative resulted in an average of 20% improvement in the education system in the past few years. So, in the past few years, if you have seen, 20% of the education system was improved because of the steps taken as a part of Saath initiative by different states. So, there are based on the findings of the Niti Aayog Sustainable Action for Transforming Human Capital that I have already spoke about. So, the report highlighted that though Right of Education Act has ensured over 96% enrollment of students in age groups between 6 to 10 years, learning outcomes did not reflect the improved quality of the education. So, many people are getting enrolled in the school education, that is 96% people between the age groups of 6 to 10 years are getting enrolled. I have got enrolled in the education as per the Right to Education Act, but the learning outcomes were not reflecting the quality of the education. So there is no improvement in the quality of education. This is what the findings have told, the report have highlighted. So, what are the measures that Niti Aayog was giving in order to improve the school education? So, especially the preschool level should be more is inclusive. So, it is telling that school education and preschool level education especially should be very much inclusive. So, I have highlighted more inclusive because inclusiveness is something which is very important in order to improve the quality of education. So, in order to improve the learning process, no one should be left behind or have disadvantage. It means every section, every part of the society, every child of the society who are having the right to get educated should be educated, and it should be an inclusive task. Everyone should be included. No one should left behind in a disadvantaged position. So this is what it told. So, the Niti Aayog's report 2021 proposed interventions in five key areas. So, there are intervention in five key areas. There should be a focus on the academic reforms. There should be steps taken for the strengthening of the human capacity and the administrative systems, and it should drive the accountability, and it should create it's suggested to create a shared vision for the change. So these are the five key areas. These are the five key areas which should be focused upon. And state should prepare a learning outcome framework to resolve the gap between learning outcome and the GER ratio. Okay, so there should be a the gap should be filled by preparing the learning outcome framework. Different states should prepare this learning outcome frameworks in order to uh, like in order to reduce the gap between the learning outcomes and the GER ratio, gross enrollment ratio. So the report also highlighted the need to simplify the assessment process and the need for learning enhancement programs. So there is a need for the learning enhancement programs. So report highlighted about this particular concept. So states need to implement remediation in campaign mode for 4 to 5 years to bring all children to grade level. So states should implement this particular thing. So, I have told you about SAT E project, right? What is the SAT E project? SAT E is nothing but it is a sustainable action for transforming human capital. E is education. So, this project was launched in the year 2017. So, it was launched to identify and build three role model states for the school education sector. So, three role model states should be build for the school education sector. So, after an elaborate selection process, Jharkhand, Orissa, and Madhya Pradesh were chosen as part of the SAT-E project in the year 2017. So, the first phase of the SAT-E was completed in the year March 2020. So, in the year 2020, the first phase of SAT-E was completed. So, what are the achievements of this SAT-E project? So, first one is the learning enhancement. In the field of learning enhancement, program or remedial teaching with workbook support for approximately there was 2.3 crore students were implemented. So, remedial teaching and the program implementation was done to 2.3 crore students. It was implemented. And coming to the academic monitoring of schools and students, it was streamlined and 1.5 lakh inspections were carried out every month. And coming to the comprehensive rewards and recognition programs, including the external certifications, were initiated. And coming to the assessment reforms, there were assessment reforms which are done, which also included the spot testing and learning tracking formats. These were newly introduced. So these are some of the achievements. Let's see more. So multiple rounds of teacher training was provided in order to improve the quality of the education. If you see the Madhya Pradesh, 30% of the students moved from the lower level foundational literacy, numeracy, learning cohorts to the highest learning level for the grades 3 to 8 in 2 years of Dakshta Unayam learning enhancement program. So if you take this particular program, that is Dakshta Unayan, according to this program, in Madhya Pradesh, 30% of the students have moved from the lower level foundational literacy to the grades of 3 to 8. So this was achieved in Madhya Pradesh. So in Odisha, average improvement of the 10 to 15% was observed in the learning outcomes. Though, so this is the main motto, right? Learning outcome should be the gap should be reduced between the GER and the learning outcome. So in Odisha, it was achieved. The improvement was done by 10 to 15%. It is done because of the Ujjwal Utthan Learning Enhancement Program. So different, as these three are the role model states, different programs were started in order to achieve the targets. And coming to the Jharkhand, 12% improvement was done across most competences was recorded through the Gyan Setu Learning Enhancement Program. So in Jharkhand, Gyan Setu Enhancement Program was done, because of which 12% improvement was done across the competencies. Okay. With the onset of the COVID-19 pandemic, SATI adapted itself as a DG SAT to provide underrated support via digital medium. So it is providing, it is supporting through the digital mediums also, as a part of the as pandemic was there. There was a problem for children to go to school. So, as a part of this particular measure, it was itself adapted the DGSAT, through which digital mediums were supported with services. Okay. So this is all about SAT E achievements. So we have learned this topic in detail in this video. Let's see with more interesting topics in the next class. Until then, keep smiling, take care, and bye bye.